Well guys, I had to change the computer because the power supply just gave up. The fan is not working anymore and it's getting overheated. I mean, we got power, but the fan it's not exactly doing well, and I promised you some hard disk noises, and now I can do that because this power supply is much quieter the other way. Let's see. There's the CD-ROM here. Yeah, working. Let's boot from hard drive. You hear that? That's the hard drive doing the work. It's such a piece of technology, amazing. Now let's start installing Windows 95 finally. Of course the video is compressed high speed, it took a lot of time to do that, but the point is that it's kind of nostalgia anyway. I still remember the thrill, you know, put the disk in and finally, okay, it's in the computer, it's installing, oh my god, it's working. Alright, so Windows 98 is finally installed and let's try the recovery. Okay, finally, late in the afternoon, late in the night in fact, it's 8 o'clock, so I start this experiment around 11 in the morning. I changed the computer because the power supply got ruined into the other one. Alright, so it's still a Compaq, it's a Pentium III also, but 1 gigahertz, 1000 megahertz of speed. So finally we have Windows 98 installed. Let's try to install the recovery disks. We'll start with the version 2.5. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, so let's start this and try to boot from the restore CD in here. Alright, so it's booting, nice. English, of course. So this is version 2.5. Okay, no mouse. I don't have a mouse. Wired one. Yes, I think I have one. But I need to use an adapter. But I don't think we need it because I have the keyboard anyway. This version of Compaq Recovery CD does not support the system on which it is running. What? It's Windows 98. And here we are starting to install Windows 95. Let's hope it's running well this time. To set up Windows now, press Enter. To quit setup, installing Windows without, press F3. To continue with setup, press Enter. Okay, continue setup and replace your current your current operation system. Exactly what I want to do. Setup is preparing. Alright, press Enter. I will. It's really thrilled me, you know. Windows 95. Oh man, on a 22 years old computer. That's fun. Yep. You know, it's going pretty fast for a 733 megahertz. Go, go, go. Now it's checking drive D. Can you imagine 80 megabytes of hard drive already with 2 partition? Huh? Interesting. Do you know what's funny? Now this computer is very silent. It was a fan problem or something anyway. I cleaned it back again, and I just put it on and it's working. Interesting. So that was the disks checking, scan disk, and now we are effectively beginning the setup. Windows 95, people, on a real machine. Okay, numbers. Okay, finish pretty fast. Yeah, I can't remember, is there a command Win95 or something? Yes, I got it. You have to go to the install directory and to push the win command, and there you go. A device required with that is not system hold. Oh my. Let me take this out for now and restart the computer. I just plugged in the restore CD with version 2.5. Let's see what's happening. It should start looking like. There we go. Oh, same story. So it's not running on Windows 95 either. Let's try 3.1. Yeah, I can't install the restore CDs, even Windows 95. Sorry for that. I was really curious to see how it's looking like a original those times system. But maybe I'm doing something wrong. Same story. Yeah, that's the end of the adventure for today. Well, I hope it's informative, and I hope it's fun, because you know, even I waste a lot of time, a little bit of nostalgia. I know it's coming, seeing Windows 95, Windows 98, trying to install, trying to run, and you know, I grew up with these operating systems, and a computer like that, oh my, it was a dream not longer than 22 years ago. That's absolutely amazing. I hope you like it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and of course, have fun. Bye bye.